You can see this is the living room and this is the sofa. We have the modular kitchen. So you can see this is the bed, and on the right side we have. Hello everyone and welcome to Housing. My name is Jayashree and today we are at Raj High Gardens by the builder SNN Raj Corporation, which is located at Osu Road, Atibele, Neralur, Bangalore, for a sample tour. Before we know a lot about the project, let's understand what is Housing. Housing is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly to the builders, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing where you go for an enquiry, your number is shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of unwanted calls. Housing is one such platform where the listing is done directly by the builders. So hurry up, go book your dream home with the builders directly through Housing. So talking about the project view, the entire project is built on a land parcel of 9.5 acres with 11 towers, and also the available stories are 2 basement, 1 ground floor and 14 floors. Talking about the connectivity, this project is right on Osu Road, 12 minutes from Electronic City Toll, 10 minutes from Bomasandra metro station. Talking about the amenities, it has lawn terraces, clubhouse with gymnasium, kids play area, swimming pool, jogging track, skating rink, multi-purpose lawn, surface car park, turf cells and 25 plus amenities. Right now we are in front of 2 BHK plus study flat. So this is a super built area of 1090 square feet. So let's get inside. So as you walk inside, you can see this is the living room and this is the sofa area with a table setup, and right in front of the sofa we have the television unit. So it looks very spacious, and this is the dining area. As you can see, in this corner space we have this dining area. As you walk further, you can see the kitchen area. So yes, we have the modular kitchen and also window for ventilation, and yes, there's a lot of space for storing your kitchen items, and also there's a utility space as well over here. And from the kitchen you can see this is the balcony which is connected to the living area as well, very close to the dining area. So yes, it has a complete glass cover over here, but yes, on the other side you have greenery as you can see, and it's very spacious where you can spend your leisure time sipping a coffee or tea. And now it's time to look at the bathroom, the common bathroom in this 2 BHK plus study. So this is the common bathroom with anti-skid tile and also high-end sanitary equipment and also window for ventilation. So this is the common bathroom in this 2 BHK plus study flat, and also here we have wash basin and a mirror. And now it's time to look at the first bedroom in this flat. So this is the bedroom. It looks very spacious. So you can see this is the bed here, and on the right side the wardrobe setup is given, and there's mirror on the wardrobe. So this becomes your wardrobe plus dressing area. And yes, it's very spacious and the interiors are really good. So I was telling you this is a 2 BHK plus study. So let's look at the study room in this flat. So this is the study room. So you can see there's a sofa here, and also there's a table where you can do your study related works, and also there's a shelf over here to store your books or other items, and we have window over here for ventilation. So this is the window, and also on the other side you can see there's a garden. So the look is really pleasant and peace. And now it's time to look at the master bedroom. But before we head to the master bedroom, let's understand what Housing does for us. At Housing, we provide you sample flat tour, actual location tour, the pros and cons why you should invest in this project, and also the 360-degree virtual project view, and most importantly the pricing details such as EMI as well as down payment. And now it's time to look at the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. Wow, the interiors are really cool. So you can see this is the bed, and on the right side we have the wardrobe, and on the left you have space for a table, and this is the balcony for the master bedroom. So it's very huge and long, and the entire area is covered with glass as you can see, so it is super protected. And on the other side you can see the garden, so it gives a very pleasant and a peaceful vibe as you spend your time in this balcony. And also you can customize it the way you want, you can decorate it. And now it's time to look at the bathroom in this master bedroom. So this is the bathroom in the master bedroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary equipments. So there's a wash basin with huge mirror, and also there's a window over here for ventilation. So yes, and also there's a small space over here, you can use it. So it's a utility space, it's a window plus utility space. So this is the bathroom in the master bedroom. So yes, that was the sample 2 BHK plus study flat. I hope you enjoyed the video. So I have a question for you guys. If you have any comments about this project, it could be positive or negative, all are welcome. So do mention in the comment section below so that we can improvise. So thank you so much for watching this video. So everyone, this was the 2.5 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project High Gardens located in Attibele by SNN Raj Corporation.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.